What's good, crypto? I'm your host, Marvin, here to bring you a daily scoop on everything going on in crypto. Wow, what a day. Shiba to the moon. Am I right, guys? We're going to dive into the things going on in the market. Crypto is down, but should you be afraid? Is this the end of the bull run? And if you think that, you don't know me. If you think that this is the end of the bull run, might as well panic sell. Am I right, guys? No, I'm personally fine, not concerned, and you shouldn't be either. The worst comes before the best, and November is going to be a spectacular month. Remember that Monday through Friday, we come here to educate ourselves when it comes to investing in crypto to make life-changing wealth. None of this is financial advice, just my pure, honest opinion and thoughts. This is all entertainment. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow the podcast wherever your ears may be, whether it's Spotify, Apple Podcasts, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and the TikTok at Media by Marvin. TikTok is where I'm very active. You'll also find me active on, Instagram and Twitter. But if you guys want to help me fight against Shiba trolls, it is the funniest thing ever. These guys have literally less than one brain cell, and I have two. All right, let's jump into, first off, let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. Right now, we're actually not as low as I thought we were going to be. We're sitting at 73, greed, whereas yesterday we were at 76, extreme greed. A lot of altcoins were pumping like insane amounts. And Bitcoin was kind of just chilling for the most part. Bitcoin has been kind of consolidating, hanging around 61, 62,000. Last week we were at extreme greed at 82. This was when around the time we hit all-time highs. We were sitting at around 64, 65,000. And last month, just to put it in perspective, we were at 26. So right now we are hanging out around 73. Things are cooling off. People are panicking, running in the streets, thinking the bull run is over. When we are hanging out around 58, 59,000. And yesterday we were just hanging out at 60. And we have yet to close under $60,000 in the last 11 or 12 days. Taking a look at crypto right now, Bitcoin bouncing back a little bit. We are at 59,000. We had a bit of a pullback, taking a look at the trading view. And we're going to talk about why this pullback even occurred to begin with. Bitcoin is hanging out at 58,910. On the hourly, you can see this left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. We really want to hold this neckline at about 58,800, maybe even a little bit lower. But if we pull back on the daily, you can kind of see it form out left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. But I honestly don't think this is anything to be worried about because Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. We could honestly keep on going down a bit more and we would still be in this upward trend. People are freaking out because, you know what? We are going down from our all-time high, but what do you expect from an all-time high? You're going to have a pullback. I'm excited for the end of the month. It's crazy because Plan B, his prediction is actually that we'll close the month at 63,000, and I think that is pretty likely. I honestly do think it is pretty likely. So we'll see what happens at the end of the month, which is only a couple days away. We are actually only about 4 days away before closing the monthly out. But Bitcoin having a retracement, people are panicking. If you are looking to buy a dip, this is not a bad opportunity to buy the dip between 55 and 58,000. That's a pretty good area to put in some bids. But personally, I'm basically done stacking sats for the time being. I have no intention on buying right now. My bags are pretty heavy. I'm very happy with where I'm at, and I'm just kind of buying into some altcoins before they run. Going back, we can see that Ethereum is down. Almost everything is down basically on the day. I'm going to try and pull up CoinMarketCap one more time. Things that are up, Shiba, of course, is up. 1inch Network with a massive pump of 43%. Don't know what happened there. Engine Coin picking it up about 37% on the week, 8% on the day at $2.23. This is awesome. Aave's up. Perpetual Call hot, and Theta Fuel. But basically, everything is down. The graph is down 50%. That had a pretty crazy run up near. Pullback, that had a run up. Basically, anything that's had a run up recently has had a pullback. Phantom's down. Filecoin's down. Dogecoin is down 11%. Basically, everything is down. Harmony down 10%. That just had all-time highs too. But I think, you know, the whole market has been like pumping like crazy. So a pullback is necessary. Avalanche at $63 more or less. It was at $70. So everything is about 8 to 10% down on the day, which is nothing to be concerned about. This is pretty natural in my opinion. So I wanted to share with you guys this meme. I bought 5 dips on the same coin today, and each dip was lower. A lot of people are feeling this way, but honestly, considering how far we've come since, you know, July, things are looking really good. But what is going on in the market? Well, first off, a bunch of liquidations happened. Okay, first off, 130 million of Ethereum just got liquidated. A lot of people are saying that the whales are just trying to flush out as much of the leverage traders as possible. And it's unfortunate because these are the longs. Longs are our friends. Longs are the people who are betting that the market is going up. But you need to be careful with how much you're trading. People are putting in longs at tops, and that's not good because if the price dips, you're going to get liquidated. So today, about 35k ETH, $130 million was liquidated on Bitfinex. This is a lot of people. Can't remember the last time I saw something of this size get liquidated on Finex. That is pretty insane, honestly. That is a lot of money. And then $500 million of liquidations. This is by Lark Davis. Whales are hunting for stops and washing out leverage traders. Last night, Will Clemente was tweeting out, like, please stop it. Like, stop putting in leverages. Stop putting in these huge bids because people are going to get liquidated. Whales will hunt you out. And it's clear. Bitcoin longs are getting wrecked. Shorts, not so much. This green, we don't want to see longs get liquidated. That's going to cause the price to go down and people get liquidated and wrecked. Be careful if you're trading with longs. Shorts are doing fine right now, but we want people to not leverage because that is really preventing the price from moving. Of course, we'll never be able to do that. People will, of course, long instinctually when we're hitting all-time highs because they think, oh, there's enough momentum, we're just going to keep moving forward. But that's not always the reality. So people are just getting wrecked left and right. Some other news, though, we are going to be getting another ETF later this week, I believe, either tomorrow or Friday. Let's take a look. Here we go. The Van Eck Futures ETF that was supposed to launch earlier this week could go live tomorrow or Friday after the delayed launch. This is from Bloomberg Intelligence off of Bitcoin Magazine. So we could be seeing the futures ETF going live next. So that's all for today, guys. I'm sorry that this podcast was all over the place. My computer kind of spazzed and just tossed everything out the window. But make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're on the YouTubes, and follow the podcast for more. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.